Good morning. Today we will discuss about the topic that is text clipping. As we know that clipping is the process of removing the area that is outside the clipping window, and we have to retain only that area which is inside the clipping window. So text clipping is the process of clipping the string of characters. So let's see what are the different methods of text clipping. First method is all or none string clipping method. Means either we have to take the whole string or not at all, right? So you can see in the example, the form of diagram, Shrey was written on the upper side and Shrey was also written on the down side. But when we apply clipping over it, since we know that in the upper Shrey, SH, half portion of SH was outside the clip window and half portion was inside the clip window. Since according to this method, the string is either have to be considered at full, otherwise not. So we did not consider the upper Shrey here, but we have considered only the lower Shrey value here, right? So next is all or none character clipping method. In this method, we have to retain either the whole character or not at all, right? So in this diagram, you can see here there are two values of Shrey. In the upper value of Shrey, that the clipping window was in the midst of H value. So after clipping, since we have to retain either the full character or not at all, so after the clipping, we exclude S and H because H was half inside, half outside. We cannot consider it in this method. So only Ray was left in the clipping window, right? Third method is text clipping method. In this method, we keep the character of strings which lie inside the clip window and remove all the characters which lie outside the clip window, right? So you can see in the diagram here, again there are two values of Shrey. The upper value of Shrey, half value of H was inside the clipping window and half was outside the window. Since according to this method, we have to retain the whole area that is inside the clip window. So after applying clip window, half portion of H is retained in the clip window and the portion that was outside the clip window was discarded. So this is all text clipping. Thank you.